Welcome back everybody, or welcome if you're new. Today we're going to be making some refrigerator pickles or instant pickles. I got this recipe from my mother-in-law Judy. We make these every year. Everybody loves them and they're really a quick and easy pickle. Right now we have cucumbers coming in left and right, so let's use them. We're going to need some cucumbers, some onion, sugar, salt, celery seed, and vinegar. First, you'll need to cut up your cucumbers to what your family likes. I cut some thin slices and thick slices. You'll need 7 cups of cucumbers. Next, you'll need 1 cup of onions, thinly sliced. You can put more onions if you'd like. Also, the recipe calls for sweet pepper rings or cut up peppers. We don't add them, but you can add them. Okay, here I'm just warming up 1 cup of vinegar, 2 cups of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of salt, but I double this. The recipe does not say to heat it up, but I always do to just melt the sugar. Here I'm adding 2 teaspoons of celery seed, and then you add your brine. Mine has cooled down all the way. Then you just mix this up really good. Then you just pack your jars really tight. The cucumbers will shrink in the brine after a few days. Now you just pour your brine over top of your cucumbers and onions. Then just put a lid on it I usually have to wipe down my jar because I make a mess. I use a chopstick to sort of push down some of the cucumbers so I can make more room and get out the air bubbles. There you have it, refrigerator pickles or instant pickles. This made a half-gallon jar and a little pint jar. All you do is set these in the refrigerator. Within a day or two, you can eat them. They're really, really good. I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed week and come back and see us.